plants have pipes. Yes, they have tubular structures. These tubular structures are called xylem. Xylem are like long pipes. Actually, they are cells placed one above the other, right? Now, if the cells are placed one above the other, say like this, and then the cell plates get removed, what will we have? A continuous passage. This is what is vessels. In some plants like ferns, there are tube-like structures, but they are shorter in length and they are called tracheids. Tracheids are like this, pointed. The flowering plants have both tracheids as well as vessels. So, the function of xylem is to transport water. Then there is another kind of tissue which is called phloem. Phloem is also like pipes formed by cells placed one above the other, but the difference is that cell plates are not dissolved. Instead, there are special type of cell plates which have holes in them like this, like a sieve. So, these are called sieve tubes. Like you strain your tea through the sieve, so leaves remain on the sieve and water or the tea passes out. So, here through these holes cytoplasm extends from one cell to the other, and it is the phloem which takes ready-made food from the leaves to all parts of the body. And this transportation of food is called translocation. So, what is the function of phloem? To translocate food from leaves to all parts of the body. Right? We have understood the function of xylem and phloem, but how it actually takes place still needs to be understood.